So, today I am trying, wait, what is this called again?
Like a chicken stew or soup?
I'm trying Wagga chicken.
Just chicken stew or chicken soup.
I'm trying chicken soup today. And it has potatoes in it. What is that one called again?
A carrot? Celery.
Celery, carrots, chicken, of course, and potatoes. Also, I'm going to try the bread dipped in the soup. I already think the bread taste is good. 10 out of 10, the bread.
All I do is look what I feast on the bread. Can I scream in this video?
And so, here we go.
Do you remember that video when
I'm going to try
Oh,
each
yeah.
vegetable. Right now, I'm trying carrot and celery. That's my sister. Please ignore her. She's going through as a pain train. It tasted pretty good. I'd say 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10. Let's see.
I had that stuck in my belly.
Let's try chicken, lettuce, and carrots.
Chicken lettuce.
What?
Just Addie doing her silly voice.
Chicken nuggets and carrots.
This is crazy. Just ignore that, please. So, I just tried that, and that was good. Now I'm trying potato. A potato. Wait, I forgot to eat that. So, lettuce, carrots, and chicken is still a 5 out of 10.
It's all gonna be 5 out of 10. Now try the whole soup, baby.
I am gonna try everything at the end. Let's see.
Did you get potato or green beans?
I didn't know there was green beans in here. Yep, there's green beans in here. There's green beans in here. I never knew that. I was about to try potato, but then I noticed I didn't rate the other one. So the potato, oops. It's good.
Addie?
It's really good. It's good.
I'm gonna wait until
It's a 5 out of 10 again.
I'm gonna wait until I have I'm gonna do one of those videos. Hey, I have something going on.
What?
I'm gonna do videos.
Let's try just the green beans. Just a stock of green beans.
Why don't you wrap this up so Dad can eat, guys?
Can I talk about about the green? Well, I have never particularly liked green beans. I've never tried them like this. I've only tried them like pea stalked out. I think that's like opened a little bit. But I'm still gonna try it. Why would I not try it? They taste good. No, they don't taste good.
My mom into what? Mama.
If you reach the 10-minute mark, you can monetize.
What?
Nothing. Go on. Keep going.
Well,
Come on, wrap this up, man.
that was 3 out of 10. 3 out of 10.
The whole dinner? Even with the bread?
No.
If you include getting the bread.
The
He
bread
did the bread.
is 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. But I'm going to try it dipped in the soup now, which I told you I was going to do at the beginning.
Okay.
Let's do this.
Yum, yum. $11 out of 10.
Okay.
11 out of 11.
It improves the bread.
Yeah. I couldn't rate it. It couldn't be 10 out of 10. It couldn't be 10 because that would be the same. I had to rate it up to 11.
Okay.
Sounds good. Sign off.
Next time, I need to think about 10 being nothing can beat it, and it like nothing in this dinner can beat it.